We are transitioning Nyla to be an outdoor cat, but she doesn't like coming around Rocky and Jinx very much. But it will happen. It will happen. Winter is finally coming to an end, and more videos are going to be put out, so stay tuned. We're going to be doing a lot of fun projects. I'm just showing you guys the chickens because a lot of people like seeing them. But we're going to be doing a lot of fun projects, so get ready. So right now we are at Ace Hardware. We're getting some things to get ready for the springtime and our garden. We're gonna buy a little bit of compost, and then what is that thing called? I can't remember what it's called, but I'll show you. It's gonna mix in the compost and the dirt that we already had, and make it better to tiller. That's it. Make it better to grow in. So here it is. This right here looks like it's $30. But it's gonna move all the dirt around and mix it, so we're not using our hands or using a small little shovel. This is way easier. You can also get this. It's a rotary cultivator. Kind of does the same thing, but obviously it has more here. I think this might be a little bit more expensive. It doesn't really say the price on it, but you can also go with this as well. New gloves for the expert gardener. 2nd year experience. Get them.
That's cute.
After all this shopping around, we're gonna go to Menards because they have an $11 rebate and we can get
11%.
Okay, 11% rebate and we can get our money back. So come to Menards with us, guys. Come on. Y'all see that truck? There you go. Oh darn, that thing's shining. You know it when the sun's shining and reflecting off the hood. Look at that gosh darn tree. We made it. All right, we found it. It's right over there. It's only $24. So that other place was like $39. $24. Come to Menards. I'm not sponsored yet. And remember, save big money at Menards. And they still sell My Pillow, if you know what I mean. So Hannah likes getting the organic soil, which works. So this one's only $2.48, so we're gonna get a bag of this. And we'll mix it into what our, well, not that bag, but our compost that we already have, and mix it in and make the soil even more rich. The big thing that I'm trying to do is get lawn of the year, or I'm not sure what they call it in Shawnee, but try to have the best lawn in Shawnee. So wish me luck. We are now home, and I'm going to till everything. I'm going to add compost and just get a couple good videos of it. Soon this will be full of cucumbers, spinach, tomatoes, potatoes, all that good stuff, and I can't wait. I am so excited about spring being back and me being able to be back in here and have those big chickens over there. Another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring some of the chickens inside of here. They're great for getting some of the little weeds and some of the little plants that are growing that I don't want to have in here, and they're gonna move a lot of the dirt around for me. So why not make the chickens work for me, right? So I got 3 chickens in here. They're picking some of the grass that's on the side, which is actually pretty helpful too, because I don't want any grass in here. So I brought the chickens in here, like I said, and what they're doing, they're getting all these little patches of grass up and pecking at it and cleaning it up for me. So it's actually a big help. So I ended up putting more chickens than I thought I would in here. I put about 6 or 7 in here. So it's pretty cool. I got this all tilled up. I'll put some of these dead leaves underneath the dirt to get a better compost. And then I'll add some of the baggy compost that we bought into this dirt and into these other beds. So just gonna film them for a little bit. Ooh, this is hard. Good. The water's real wet, so. A little bit on my carpet. Come on. Here. I'm gonna move some of these leaves underneath. Oh, that's easy. Like if I follow him around enough, they'll find stuff they can eat. Yeah, more grass in here. Move around. Move around.
Rocky. Oh my gosh, these are terrible shots because they're not going anywhere near me.
So, like we showed you guys before, this is what we got. We never use this, so we're just testing it out, but it's something cheap that we can buy that's organic that we can throw in there and hopefully help. So, hopefully. So I'm all done. She was lovely enough to bring her laptop out here and watch me and film me, so thank you. But please like and subscribe to the video. I'll have another couple videos rolling out here in the next few days. She's gonna come out here and actually plant some spinach and what else?
Carrots and collard greens and onions.
Out here, so we'll definitely film that and keep you guys updated on how that's going. But soon this will be flourishing the further we get into spring and going into summer. So thank you.
Thanks.